I guess we're doing this one first. Wow. In case you haven't noticed, we're doing mystery boxes today.
Those look delicious.
What is this?
That looks like a cookie.
This is also strange.
What the?
Oh, I've seen this before. Ew, what the heck?
It's just flavored jelly. I hope it's fish flavored. That would be so
Ew.
cool. I wouldn't eat it, but like.
Well, we have to try all of this. We're
This
trying.
isn't melted. Oh, it was probably something like this, and then this melted. So it's
You-
maybe something like that. I don't know.
No.
No, actually.
No.
That's weird.
That's probably.
The little shoestring potato things.
That's gonna be corn something, right? I can't.
This is gonna be alien
I
flavor.
don't know what that is. I'm so nervous. What do you want to try first? This is called the food
Fujiya home pie. It's probably
pie.
like apple pie. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Oh, what's inside of it?
Chocolate. Here, eat that. The artwork on these is so funny. It's like sunflowers playing guitar. Ooh, broken. That's pretty good too. We need to step our junk food game up a bit, I think. We're losing this race with
Slacking.
Japan.
Oh man, I'm so concerned.
I think these are all the same, so I'm curious.
It was like a long round stick.
Okay. It smells like a Funyun almost. But
Oh god, I hope it's not fish. It's slightly strange. Oh, yours is like different from mine. I'm just gonna bite it.
oh, I guess.
Oh yeah, no, of course.
Not a fan.
Not really.
You're doing really good, Japan.
Mine's like almost sweet.
Mine's like, it's almost good, and then
It's
you
not.
breathe. And,
Moving on. Quickly. Okay, this one feels like the cat.
Ooh. Oh, looks like, is that the cat that's on the clogs with the tail that moves?
Yeah.
It's fish flavored.
So sad. Is this gum? I think it's gum.
Okay.
That was the strangest consistency ever.
Oh, I think it's like those. Have you tried those high chew things?
It's not like that though.
No. Okay.
Maybe it's not gum. So I don't know if I should swallow it or not.
You'll be fine.
Oh boy, what is that?
Whoa.
That smells questionable.
No, it smells kind of good.
Yeah.
You don't like it?
Yeah, no, not really.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm not feeling it.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it. Yeah, I think that's gum.
Right? But then it kind of like separates a little bit, so I'm not 100% sure.
It's like that Hubba Bubba tape stuff. You know?
Yeah, but then it like, I don't know. This one's intriguing me.
See that?
This one looks like it's got soda on it.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Like a Tootsie Roll, but like, not? Okay. There you go. Oh, way to go. I vacuumed it. Ooh!
I like it.
I like it. Oh, it's really chewy though.
I don't know. It's like kidney stone.
You see them in there? Fried potato. Okay, I can get down with those.
We got 3 pink ones.
Oh,
I
jeez.
think we're special.
Yeah. Like rock candy.
Kidney stones. That's pretty tasty.
This one's also really
It's like nerds.
intriguing me,
Yeah.
but it's just a little box. Oh boy, what is this?
That's so weird. There were only 4 of them in the box. Fish balls. It's like little gum, I think.
Is it gum?
I don't know, but it's. I think it might be cola flavored.
I don't know if you swallowed it or not.
I'm just gonna go for it.
I'm gonna not.
Ooh,
How about that?
how about that?
How about that?
Catch me out.
What are these? Magiko chocolate.
That's pretty tasty.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that. That's easy.
I don't know, looks kind of like him if he was a police officer. Oh, he's hurt. Wait, I want to know which one it was.
Freaking no. Sad or sleepy?
Yeah, probably both. Yeah, some cookies.
I was really hoping for apple, and I'm pretty sure they're apple.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh wow, these are like little french fries.
Yeah, these are little guys.
They're almost a little shrimpy.
Ooh, man. I don't care what that is, that's delicious.
I think you're supposed to make it.
That's
No, because it says you could just put it in your bag.
Oh.
She reads Japanese.
Here.
It says corn potage.
Potage.
Potage. Potage? I don't know. I'm illiterate. Oh. Tastes like ketchup. I'm down with this one.
It does.
Oh yeah, you hate ketchup.
Mm-hmm.
What word you told me I couldn't say?
Come here.
It's Dada! What's going on? You smell all the weird stuff?
Oh, you don't know what's going on, do you? I should have smelled it before I put it in my mouth. It's like a dehydrated cookie.
Yeah, right.
It's weird.
Is it blueberry? Is it
It
chocolate?
looks like, I don't know.
Olives?
I don't know. It looks like beans. Beans.
It really does look like beans. Why would they put beans in a cookie? Oh, it's not sweet.
Yeah, I just came to that realization. This is probably not going to be a sweet thing. And
I think you should do the music one since you're a drummer.
oh, thank you. Oh, that one's got a harmonica.
Oh boy. Alright, I'm gonna try this one.
Okay.
I don't know what that is.
Pretty tasty.
I'm really not having a good time. Sweet almost.
The corn potage.
Okay.
There are too many flavors in my mouth, right?
Mm-hmm.
Japan. It looks like it tastes like fish for some reason.
Oh my gosh, it's not like.
It's just gusher filling.
It's not coming out. I'm squeezing it. Ew.
Oh. I don't know. I'm going for it.
Here, wait for me.
Okay.
Don't taste it.
Oh, I can't get it. Am I just taking half of that? I'm so scared.
It's so gross. Oh, that was the strangest thing I've ever put in my mouth. It doesn't taste
It's like
bad.
warm jello.
Yeah, it doesn't taste bad, but tastes like
It tastes like
on it.
medicine to me. Yeah, not a big fan. That one ruined Japan for me.
Ready to keep going?
Yeah, let's do it. What's next?
I don't know. What do you want to do? Do you want to do one of those each?
Sure.
You want more?
We
Not
have
candy.
so many.
Oh, these are heavy. Ooh, which one do you want? That one's heavier.
Which is
You pick.
it? Okay, this one's closer.
Okay, these are $15 each.
Yeah, $15 each.
I have
And,
them.
oh, I have a picture of what it said could be in it
Cool.
too.
This one's heavy.
$15 surprise mystery box, fishing, hunting, knives, jewelry, necklaces, smartwatches, fishing lures, tools, locks, lighters, toys, auto stuff, batteries, cell phone accessories, sunglasses, household items, and many more. All items will be brand new.
Brand new.
So,
So it's not just stuff people have in their house.
I hope not.
I really hope we don't get just like lighters.
Just a box of used big lighters.
They're all empty.
Whoa, what the?
Oh, cool, phone case. Oh, it's for an iPhone 4.
It's like a watch band for like a, I don't know.
Is it for an Apple Watch?
I don't know, but it's cool. Yeah,
I guess it's like you put like this kind of in there.
yeah. Good. I want to let someone find out.
You can have that if you want it. Here's your
Okay.
I guess.
Or maybe it's for bite.
Tools! Okay, this is like fishing hooks.
Oh, cool.
And yeah, just fishing hooks.
Do you fish?
No. Is this a portable charger? That'd be cool. Oh, did I get a screen case for? Oh, not my phone, but
LG something.
Treasure. Anybody have an LG Treasure?
Oh, it's solar.
No way!
This is like a 3D printed mouse that somebody made in their basement in Delaware. And we got another lighter. I think
Okay, well you tried. What are those?
Oh, I think you put them on your like controllers and the little grippy things for your
Oh.
video games. That's pretty neat.
That's-
And then,
It's a portable charger!
do you want a knife?
Is this a little straightening iron? No
Yeah, that's pretty
way! Shoe top barrel rest.
Caution statement: use extreme caution and ensure gun is unloaded and free of ammunition before you put it on your foot and kill your foot.
So many knives.
And then this actually looks like it's a light, but I think I broke it. Oh no!
So let's look at our investment. What did we get? We got 2 knives,
2 lighters.
2 lighters, 2 fitted screen protectors for not our phones. This gun holder thing for your
Don't
foot.
shoot your foot off.
5 of these things. Probably too many of these things actually. 6 of these things.
These, I don't know. For some reason, my mind just goes to bicycle. Then they're batteries for GoPro.
There you go, sell this.
This
Get your money back.
charger.
For not our phones.
And then a 3D printed mouse from Delaware or South Dakota.
South Dakota.
South Dakota.
iPhone 4 case.
And then things for the things.
And 2 lighters and a solar powered portable
That
charger.
was pretty dope.
And a little bitty straightener.
Oh, and you got the wristy thing for fitness.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, and I think that is the end of the video.
It was fun.
If you want to see Will on my channel again, make sure you like and subscribe and comment and hit the little bell so that way you'll know if he's ever on my channel again. And make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I already said that, but make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. And we're gonna go play with all of our wonder stuff.
All of our lighters and knives.
I do want to go light something on
Yeah,
fire.
we're gonna run this neighborhood.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't chew so close to the microphone.